So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. And then you're going to select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in Services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click on it. You're going to change the startup type to Automatic. And then click on Start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on I on your keyboard. You want to find iKey and Auth IPsec keying modules. Double click on this. And then do the same thing. Startup type Automatic. And then click on Start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on S on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Server. Double click on it. Do the same thing. Startup type Automatic. Click on Start, which will make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now for the last one, you're going to click on W on your keyboard. Scroll down till you find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on it. Startup type Automatic. Click on Start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And now you should be seeing some folders that have like a $sign, Windows, and then some text right here. I've only got 2. You may also have 2, or you may have some more. You want to delete all of them that have the $sign with Windows and then some text. Delete both of these, or if you have any more, delete all of them. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.